6b wants us to differentiate the following equation with respect to x. So we have y is equal to 1 or minus 1 over x plus the square root of x. And in order to differentiate this, we need to remove x from the denominator and x from underneath the root. So x from the denominator, it's actually x to the power of 1, but when you change this, this becomes minus 1 that we currently already have, and multiplied by x to the power of minus 1, because when we remove this, we change the sign of the power, plus x to the power of a half, because a root has an invisible 2 over here. And when we convert the format from being root to exponential, we take the power of the variable x over the power of the root, which is 2 in this case. So that would be 1 over 2. Similarly, for a cube root, it would be 1 over 3. And if it's x squared that's underneath the cube root, you would get x to the power of 2 over 3. But I'm pretty sure you already know that. From this point, we can now get the derivative, which we can represent with a little dash on top of y. We multiply the coefficient by the power, so minus 1 times minus 1 gives us positive 1, and that would just be x, and then we subtract 1, that would be minus 2, plus here the coefficient is 1, we multiply 1 by the power, which is a half, that will give us a half, x to the power of a half minus 1, that is negative a half, and that is your answer. If you so like, you can convert them back to fractions. This would be 1 over x to the power of 2. See, currently it's over 1. We move it back down, we leave 1 on top and change the sign of the power to get that. Here, if we want to write this in its positive exponent form, that would be 1 over 2. Currently it's on the top part, although you cannot see it because it's like next to it, but it's currently at the top part. To move it to the bottom where the 2 is, we change the sign of the power. So that would just be a positive 1 over 2. And that's about it.